Tired of struggling to read PDFs with a dark or black background? In this video, I'll show you how to change your PDF background color from black to white, step by step, quick, and easy. Whether you're using Adobe Acrobat, an online tool, or a free viewer in 2025, I've got you covered. Let's brighten up those pages and make your PDFs easier to read. First is open your web and search change PDF background color and press enter. Next is find the I2 PDF and click it. Now in here choose the PDF you want to change the color. After choosing click the color white in the color and it will turn the background into white. And that's it. You've now changed your PDF background from black to white in just a few simple steps. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick and useful 2025 tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.